Upgrading your router or editing its Wi-Fi credentials can disrupt your ability to view your Wi-Fi camera feeds on the website or mobile app. Follow these steps to reconnect your cameras to the new network. To begin, locate the WPS or reset button on the camera. Press and hold the WPS button until the LED flashes white, which takes about 6 seconds. Release the button. On an internet-enabled device, connect to the camera's Wi-Fi network. Next, open a web browser. In the search bar, enter 192.168.1.1. Select Scan for wireless networks. Next, tap the name of your Wi-Fi network and enter your network's password. Tap Submit to confirm. Once the camera's LED is solid green, attempt to view the live video feed on the website or mobile app and verify it functions properly. If using AP mode fails, try WPS mode or using an Ethernet cable.